Today I'm going to show you how to quickly stain a board. The reason I picked the dark stain is because these boards are 70% off at Home Depot. And I'm building a bookshelf for free for our church. And this is the best material I can get for a really good price, 70% off. And I did have to run it through the planer. All you do is take a brush. This is a water-based dark stain. Brush it on. Brush it on. Start off. What you want? Well, you set that's it. Whatever it gets. If you goes on, you want. I like to see some green. The colors are color. So it's like almost covered. Again, it's a water stain. They're both. And if you're looking at it, it looks like, whoa, man, this is way too dark. Yeah, it is. That's why I'm going to wipe some of it off. And I usually do one edge when I do one side. In this case, I'm going to do this front edge. So I just coat it. You usually can pick up enough material that's still on the surface to cover the edge. If you see some areas that are light, you might want to wet those again. So you get a uniform coverage. That's what I'm looking for. Okay? So, there, it's covered. Now I'm going to take a rag. And you can see I've used this one before. I'm going to wipe it off. See how it's coming on? This rag gets a little too wet, so I'm going to switch to a new rag. It'll take more off on the first board. This is set long enough that it won't matter that much. I'm not doing the ends because the ends are going to be hidden against the bookshelf. If your ends are exposed, you have to do all the ends. There it is. It's a little dark right in here, so I'll just wipe it again. And that'll take a little more off. And remember I said it did an edge, so I'll roll it up on that edge and wipe it down as well. And sometimes it drips over on the back. So you always check that and wipe it off so it doesn't leave a real dark splotch on the back. See, there's some here too, some there. So it's at least wiped off. Flip the front back over, make sure you didn't miss any spots. There's a little spot there. So it went from a badly stained board, I think it was up in this area, to a pretty good looking board.